So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate adding a new event. Now the difference with adding this event though is that we have actually got Modern Tribes plugin installed, which integrates your Woo themes, WooCommerce functionality, so basically the shop functionality, in with your calendars. So that means that if you've downloaded that and you've purchased it for $50 or whatever the price is at the moment, that is going to allow you to use your calendar to sell tickets, and that people can actually purchase those tickets when they look at the event and go through a whole shopping cart experience and then deposit the money into your bank account or pay you via PayPal. So I have gone into the WordPress administration area on this demonstration video, and I'm actually going into the events and adding a new event. So it all looks very much the same as when you don't have the plugin installed. The only difference is if you scroll down, you will see that there's a ticket box. So that will allow you to add tickets and say how much you want for each ticket, maybe give a cap on the number of tickets that you're able to sell for that event, and also add different types of tickets as well. So maybe you've got some early bird tickets or some student tickets that might be a different price. So all of that can be done from within here. So let's start from the top. Okay, so adding a new event, I need to give it a title. So I'm going to call it Test Event for Demonstration. I'm going to do a little bit of text here just to describe the event in this field. Okay. Now I'm going to give the event a couple of categories. So I have already got some preset categories here. And then I'm going to say what date this event is taking place on. Okay, so I'm going to say this Friday, the 31st of May. And then we need to enter the venue name. So I'm just going to put in a fictional community centre here. The community centre at 1 Test Road, London. I'm going to put in the country. Now the reason why I put in the country and I go to this level of detail is that you can attach a Google Maps map basically on your page for this event, but you want to make sure then that Google can actually find the place that you're talking about. So always put the country in. And I'm putting in a phone number there, and I'm going to say I want to show the Google Map, so I'm going to tick that box there. You can also just tick to add a link to there, so if you don't want to display the map on the page as an image, you can just put a link out to Google Maps. Now I'm going to quickly put in my details as the event organizer. So I've done my phone number, and I'm going to put my email address in here so people know to contact me. Now the tickets. This is where it's a little bit different within the Modern Tribes and the WooCommerce integration. So if you click on Add a New Ticket. Okay, so we want to say that we want to sell it using WooCommerce. Now, WooCommerce is the platform that drives your shop. So to use WooCommerce, you will need a Woo theme, and you will need to download WooCommerce in order for this to appear. Now, I'm going to give my ticket a name. I'm going to say that this is an early bird ticket. So let's set this event up so that we've got some early bird tickets, and then we're also going to put some standard tickets. So my ticket description is available until X date. My price for early bird tickets, let's say that's £15, and it's going to be £20 after the early bird deadline. So I'm going to start this sale from today, so that's the time today, and I'm going to say that is going to end tomorrow because my event's actually only starting in 2 days. If you have a limit on how many tickets you have for this event and for this type, you can actually put in a limit here. So I'm going to say I've got 10 tickets of those to sell, and I'm going to click to save that ticket. So that's my first ticket. I now have an early bird ticket that's going to be available until whatever date for £15. So as you see, when you hover over this, like many other areas in WordPress, you have a few options that come up in terms of being able to edit it. So if you do need to go back and edit this at any stage, this is how you would do that. Okay, now I'm going to add a second ticket. So let's just say I'm going to add standard tickets price. So this is going to be my standard ticket price. So it's a standard ticket. I'm going to say it's £20 because it's after the deadline. My sale on that is going to start on the 30th of May. So that's just after my early bird deadline finishes. And then that's going to obviously go on until the event date itself. So that's the 31st of May. And let's just say I have 20 standard tickets to sell. So if I save that ticket, there we go. I now have 2 ticket types, an early bird and a standard. So you can also use this to chop and change in whatever way you want. You could have, say, like I said before, student tickets and, you know, full price tickets, etc., etc. So yeah, use that in whatever way fits the needs of your event. Now, if you want to optimize this for search engine optimization and you have the plugin Yoast installed, this is where you would put your keywords for that. Now, I'm not going too much into SEO at the moment. This isn't the point of this particular video, but just to say that if you do want to optimize it so it's found on the internet, put your keywords into here, okay? Finally, we have the excerpt field down here, and you do need something in the excerpt field because when people hover over your event in the calendar, they're going to see a little snippet of text, and this is the text that they will see. So I'm going to put in this test excerpt text. Okay, there we go. That's the key information that you'll need on an event. So if I scroll back up, I'm going to hit publish. That's going to save that and publish it out to the website. And then I can click on the View Event button at the very top of this page, and that's going to show me what this event is going to look like to the readers on my website. So there we have it. This is a demonstration of the lovely Nectar of Life website, and we have a test event here. As you can see, there's all the key information. We have the map, we have the description in here, and then, as I say, this is the difference. Here are the tickets. So the reader can select a ticket, add it to the cart, and there we go. So that's how that would work. Okay, I hope that's been helpful. Please feel free to email me. My email address is mail@kerrywilliams.net, and let me know if you have any comments.